that. Henry, how about over at Cloudera? I know you're part of that solution to make that available for these agencies. What are you seeing across the spectrum here?
Yeah, everything that the panelists have said so far hits home for me, right? We're maniacally focused on mission impact. And so when you look at the full data management lifecycle that you have to do to be able to feed a proper data science practice, it's quite complex. So how do you manage scale? How do you manage ingest? How do you make sure that you're prepared for data engineering? And like Rachel said, you have a variety of different pieces. So a lot of point solutions can address a part of that, but how do you bring it together? How do you ensure that it's governed and secured? These are all things that we're really focused on. I think one of the interesting things that we've recently done here in the last 6 months, we had a major partnership with NVIDIA to bring GPUs and help bring scale to that with our platform. And we're working with a government agency right now as a high priority item to take their existing machine learning training workloads and see what we can do. And we've already seen a 3 to 5x improvement in performance. And when you really start thinking about mission, that is actually just time to value, right? Like how do we iterate quicker? Because when you look at a lot of these production workloads, very few are actually making it to production. You're talking about 35% actually make it to production. So how do you shorten that cycle so that you can continue to iterate and be successful? And that's some of our biggest focus right now.